Welcome to Pirates Cove. This is a little cove where the pirates would hang out, and the trading ships would come by, and then they would jump out through that cut right there, and the trading ships wouldn't be able to see them back here behind these hills. This is also called Warderick Wells, and this was a freshwater well. And ships used to also come in here and fill up with fresh water. So, in the 70s, a guy got stranded on this island and died. They didn't find his bones for a long time.
People used to build them so they'd know how to get back to where they were.
Yeah, well, to trails. They're usually trail markers. Here they're just built for fun.
Yeah, look at that one there.
So these cairns are pretty tall when I can hide behind them. We really enjoyed our time at Warderick Wells and the park. It's kind of a federal government park for the Bahamas. A lot of beauty here, and we're always looking for the green flash on the sunsets, and so far we haven't seen any. But that is a real thing, the green flash, so if we get some photography of it, I'll let you know. After Warderick Wells, we went on to Lee Stockton Island. In 1957, John Perry purchased this island for $70,000 and developed it into a scientific research station and public awareness colony where they would try to persuade people to their environmentalist point of view and invite people on the island. They actually built an airstrip and had several scientific buildings where they were monitoring sea level rises, sea level changes. This is one of the many tour boats that show up here to take people. There's places where you can go see a lot of stingrays. And this particular spot where that tour boat's going is a spot where you can overlook some beautiful sea cliffs. But we really got a lot out of the island. In 2006, John Perry died, and the funding for his scientific research station dried up. In a minute, we'll show you the video of where our boat is parked. That's not the ocean, that's the bank over there. You see the difference? Oh my gosh, there's hardly any wind or wave on the bank. This is so pretty.
Can you imagine what this was like the other night?
Oh, it had to be really something. During that wind, this had to be something to see.
You sure that's not thunder?
Yeah, I can hear it. It's below me. Gail worries about thunderstorms. And actually, look at that. Oh, that's rain. She might be right. That might be thunder. That might be lightning and thunder. Well, we're not that far away from the boat. Wow. We've been watching the tour boats the last couple days bring people over here. But we've been so busy working on the boat that we haven't had time to come figure out what's going on. Oh my gosh. There's a cave down there. might even be a cave directly below where I'm standing. Who knows? Huh. Incredible. Like I say, I think everyone is under some sort of magical obligation to put a piece of stone on there. Okay, and there's our boat. We're only sharing this anchorage with one other boat. That guy over there. Wow. Yeah, this is really something.
It is sunset officially.